Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 May 2018, 08 of hour, 27 of minute and 38 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can lemons go bad in the fridge? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can lemons go bad in the fridge. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can lemons go bad in the fridge. Whole or cut, lemons stay good indefinitely in the freezer, but their quality suffers since the fruit's flesh can turn mushy. You can still use the juice, though. Lemons that have gone bad may not yet have visible mold growing on them, but they may have other signs of spoilage, brown or soft spots on the skin. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.